Hi my loves, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make this easy voluminous bun. So begin by selecting our crown section, making sure it's like a triangle round shape like I'm showing here, and clip it away for later. Then you want to grab the rest of your hair and make with it a middle ponytail. Now you want to make an opening through this ponytail and bring it upwards like I'm showing here. Fan it out to spread this ponytail. Then you want to grab the middle of the ponytail and tie it, but the last time make sure to pull it only halfway through. Then you want to bring this loop inside and the end as well. Pin it at the base of the second elastic with 1 or 2 bobby pins depending on how long and thick your hair is. Then you want to grab our top section and bring it backwards. At this point you want to pin it, but first you want to twist it lightly. Then you want to twist it a little bit more and using a grip to fix it. The ends you want to tuck it into the bun like I'm showing and pin it in place, the bun and this section as well. And you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this easy, voluminous and elegant bun. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.